trying to get the laptop in close, and accidentally hit the off button. But I hope y'all can see what I'm seeing. I'm getting the laptop camera in as close as I can, and there's probably some shadow, but he is I'm watching him go in on my food. Looks like he has a stinger. I don't know if he's eating or if he is forming a ball of some kind. Floating around, floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee. I'm thinking, as he just enjoys himself. Maybe that is an egg sac that he is trying to plant. And when he goes, I'm going to have to clip it right on off my plant. And there he goes. This has been a PSA from the Goddess Urban Farm. Blessed be.